In our last session, we made the windmill rotate in clockwise direction for 2 seconds. Now let's try to make it rotate first in clockwise direction and then in the anti-clockwise direction for 2 seconds each, and then stop the windmill. So we know first block is the curious mind block. Now we plan to connect the windmill motor to the left motor on the curio fire shield. So let's first set up the motor. So I set up the left motor and then first move the windmill in clockwise direction at full speed. Now we know we want to rotate this for 2 seconds, then we need to delay the stop command by 2 seconds. So for that we need to put 2 seconds here. The next one, once it rotates the clockwise direction, I need now the windmill should rotate in anti-clockwise direction. To do that, I have two options. First, stop the left motor and then rotate it in anti-clockwise direction, or directly rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Both these ways are valid. So in my case, I'm going to rotate this directly in anti-clockwise direction. Now after rotating anti-clockwise direction, I again need to wait 2 seconds because otherwise it will not rotate, it will just stop. So I'll rotate it for 2 seconds. So I'm waiting for 2 seconds before I stop my left motor. So do you agree that this program is done, or do you think there are any other things to do? Think about it. I'll stop the video here. Once you think about it and once you're sure, you can upload the program and try it on your windmill.